Welcome to the Fintelligent Investor channel. I am CA Pratiksha Pai. Today let us look at some of those compliances which the NRIs have to look at in their banking aspects when they visit India, with so many new developments and changes happening every single day. Dear NRIs, you may have stayed outside for a very long time, but you should know that India is developing very fast. These are our transition times, and if you set right certain things now itself, you can be free from any tensions and can be sure of your compliances. See, dear NRIs, it is very important for you to have bank accounts in India. But there are some old and new rules and compliances regarding what type of bank account you can maintain, what are certain compliances in relation to completed loans, what are certain compliances in relation to ongoing loans, what are certain compliances in relation to dormant accounts, what is UPI, and many more things. So let us look at each of these aspects one by one, and let us see how you can streamline your bank accounts when you visit India. So the first and foremost rule is that as an NRI, you are legally not permitted to hold a domestic resident savings account as per the FEMA rules. So if you are having a resident savings account, then you should convert it to an NRO account. So if you didn't have a chance to convert your resident savings account into NRO account before you left India or in any of your previous visits, then this should be on your priority list, because such updation to an NRO account is not for the sake of convenience but to be compliant with the law. So please provide the necessary proofs to the banks. So if you are still holding a resident savings account, then please convert it into an NRO account. Now, whenever such a change happens, then please request the bankers to maintain the same account number. However, if the account number gets changed, then you have to update the changed account number into all your other financial avenue accounts, like say your demat account or your loan account or any account where you have a standing instructions for payments, and if such account number has been changed while making it into an NRO account, like say payment of utilities, EMIs, wherever there is a standing instruction. Or if that account was receiving money regularly, like rent receipts or other such routine receipts, then please make sure to update this new account number if this account number has changed while you were converting the resident savings account to an NRO account. Next very important aspect is to update your KYC details if you had missed updating your KYC details last time, or if there is some very prominent change, then please approach the bankers with the necessary proofs and see to it that your KYC details are updated to your very recent and current ones. This is the same rule with the demat account as well. If you are an NRI, you should be having a demat account with NRI status as per the FEMA rules. So please approach your bankers or your brokerage firms with the necessary details and update the NRI status in your demat account as well. Next, within the bank accounts that you hold as well, always remember, the simpler the better. Close all the unnecessary accounts, close all the dormant accounts. If a dormant account is absolutely necessary to be held, then please regularize such dormant accounts, because at the end of the day, it is better to have compliance headaches for smaller number of accounts than to be in some legal problem because you missed some account by oversight. Next is that you should have two types of bank accounts, one in a nationalized bank and one maybe in a private bank which has a very good infrastructure in relation to internet banking and mobile banking, wherein you can carry out all your regular transactions with ease even when you are sitting abroad. Next is the loan accounts, where there are two important aspects. One is your action in relation to the completed or closed loans, and another is the actions that you have to take in respect of your ongoing loans in India. First of all, check the status of all your loans. What is the status of these loans since your last visit to India? If a loan has been paid off take the closure letter from the bank as well as take all the original documents of the assets that you had placed as collateral for that loan. Clear off any lien placed on any asset by the bank by taking appropriate documents from the bank in that regard. Also, take a nil certificate from the bank in respect of that loan. In case of any ongoing loans, check what is the amount of the loan that is outstanding, and also check if there have been any changes in the terms of the loan product, like any interest reduction, etc. Check if you have to provide any further documents in order to avail any newly introduced benefits in the loan product. If the current value of the collateral that you had provided is high, then check if any collateral can be taken back or if any additional loan can be procured for the appreciated value of the collateral. And finally, we come to the Indian pride of our banking sector, that is our UPI. Onboard yourself onto UPI and connect all your bank accounts to UPI and learn how to use UPI for two major reasons. One is that as soon as you step into India, you will have to use UPI for your daily big and small transactions in some or the other way. And the second big reason is that many countries are now adopting UPI. So if you stay in such countries, then it is very important for you to have the knowledge of UPI. So dear NRIs, please take care of this very small, basic few aspects in relation to your banking, in relation to your loans when you come to India, and streamline your bank accounts in such a way that life is free of any tensions and you can be sure of your compliances. And if you liked this video, please hit the like button and also share this video with all your NRI friends and also those friends who are going to leave India in the coming days or weeks, so that they can do these compliances right before they even leave India, before going to some other country. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.